Welcome to EMEX, New Zealand's premier event for the engineering and manufacturing industries. Here we are with over 210 exhibiting suppliers showcasing the very latest innovations across manufacturing, engineering, robotics and AI. We've got 3 full days of industry-led seminars and workshops, conferences, Industry 4.0 challenges, Smart Factory Showcase, everything you need to make your business succeed.
I definitely come every year because I need to keep up with the innovations and technology of engineering, because if you fall behind, then you're left behind.
I've come across from Christchurch today, meeting up with some of my suppliers to get the latest technology.
Come along today to have a look at some of the new technologies that are available, anything that can really make our jobs easier.
I'm just looking at ways to increase production capabilities in the shop. On a bit of staff engagement for the lads.
It's one way for me to get a snapshot of what is happening very quickly in the industry with the technology advancements in one location.
Here it is very good that you can see all of the suppliers and you can compare them because you can see them face to face.
I'm always impressed and I always find something new suppliers, and some of the old suppliers too, you find new products that you weren't aware they had, so absolutely fantastic.
I recommend coming up to have a look because it's just amazing and how advanced the technology is.
Yeah, it's not just machining, not just welding, there's 3D printing, scanning, all sorts of stuff, so lots of good stuff out there.
This is like field days for engineers and it's so much fun. It's well worth coming.
So come on down to EMEX and unlock endless possibilities and see the future here first.